Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 14T and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Wallpapers and Style. Then let's tap on this Wallpapers section, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. Those wallpapers are pre-installed. If you want to, you can tap on more wallpapers and you will be transferred to some online options from which you can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of beautiful albums and in consequence the wallpapers to choose from. Be aware, because you will need the account, the REALME account. So let me choose something from those options, and basically if you'd like to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. So let me choose this one, and as you can see it will appear on the full screen. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on apply to, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it. Here we have to tap on apply. So here we've got the preview, we can check it, how it will look like. Tap on apply in the right upper corner, and if you want to, you can apply the wallpaper colors to the system, so you can create a composition, let's say. Simply tap on wallpaper colors, and here we've got those presets which are taken from the wallpaper. You can check the preview, or if you're not really happy with the results here, simply tap on custom, tap on got it, and tap on custom again, and now you can choose 4 different dots. You can place them in different places or areas of the wallpaper, and therefore choose some colors which will be used in the system. So let's tap on OK, and as you can see, now we can check the preview, so the colors are applied on the specific buttons, for example, or switchers. Alright, so let me go back now to the homepage to show you that the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.